Hey, this is Ronald from Mansfield University. If you have a large dog like mine, I have Bam Bam here, my canine, and you need to get him into a car and take him to a vet. Sometimes it's difficult to get him up there, and I have the perfect solution that I think will help you. This is a dog ramp, or a ramp can be used for anything. It's about 120 bucks. It's on sale right now for about 105. I can't pronounce the name of the company, but I did link it below from Amazon. The capacity is 250 pounds. It's 71 inches long by 20 inches wide. Folded up, it's 19 by 19, give or take, and 5 inches wide on top there. It does have a carrying handle. It weighs about 19 pounds. And again, the capacity is 250 pounds. You can use this for cars, SUVs, or trucks. You just grab a handle like this, and I'm gonna unfold this. This just neatly unfolds like this, as you can see, all the way down. That's your middle. Here's your hook part. Just grab it, pick it up. This is how this looks. It hooks right here. That's not straight, but it's going to hook on your hook right here. And just make sure this stays here, but it doesn't fall out. My worry was that this wouldn't hold. My dog's about 125 pounds. It grips for their paws to dig into. We used it for the first time. He was hesitant. Of course, my wife put a welcome mat here for him, but she lets the seats down and he goes in. But yeah, it works pretty good, and this is pretty high. Take it as high as you want. You'll have a steeper angle. You don't want it too steep of an angle. You might want to also guide your dog up. But I also use this with my wheelbarrow to roll something up once, and it worked pretty well too, because the capacity is 250, which means that I can walk up and down this. It's pretty solid, built well, made from aluminum. The plastic piece is one piece. I just worry about hinges and bending parts breaking. But you can always put something underneath here just as a backup to support that middle function right here. We actually bought some steps. We bought a few different ones, and this is the one that we thought was the best. The dog got used to it right away. It also folds back up in seconds. Just kind of bring this one in, and there you go. It's portable. Throw it in your car. This is how this looks from back here. 71 inches long and 20 inches wide. One thing I want to caution you on is when you connect this strap, you see the edges here. So you want to make sure that you tighten this up so that this sits more up on the top of your bumper area. So that's a little better, as you can see. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.